Step 4. Learning about MySQL Databases. The Databases section is the most important section in relation to taking our tutorials and building your first site. Databases offer a method for managing large amounts of information easily over the web. They are necessary to run any website that provides a back-end management system, such as WordPress, Drupal, and other e-commerce platforms. The only tool we'll be using in our tutorials for the moment is MySQL Databases. The other sections, such as the wizard, phpMyAdmin, and the others, should be left alone for the time being. To create a database, click on the MySQL Databases icon in the Databases section of cPanel. In the New Database field, type a name for the database. Click Create Database. Click Go Back. The new database will appear in the Current Databases table. After you create the database, you will need to add users and their privileges so that the database can be filled and managed. To create a new account, under Add New User, enter in a username. Enter a password in the password field. For help generating a strong password, click the Password Generator button. Retype the password in the Password Again field. Click Create User. Next, it's time to define a user's privileges. Privileges define how the user is able to interact with the database. For example, they will determine whether or not the user can add and delete information. To define a user's privileges, under Add User to Database, select a user from the User drop-down menu. From the Databases drop-down menu, select the database to which you wish to allow the user access. Click Add. On the next page, which is the MySQL Account Maintenance screen, select All Privileges. Then click on Make Changes. Now that we've created a database user, and given them permission, let's learn how to delete a database. To delete a database from the server, locate the row corresponding to the database you wish to delete in the Current Databases table. Click on Delete Database. If you are sure you want to delete the database, click Yes. Deleting a MySQL user. To delete a MySQL user account, click the X icon in the appropriate row of the current users table. If you are sure you will want to permanently delete the account, click Yes. This has been a tour of the cPanel functionalities you'll be using when creating your website. If you have any issues, complaints, suggestions, or ideas on how we can improve these guides, please feel free to contact support. You've now completed the Getting Started course. You're ready to continue to the next course, WordPress.